Well, hello, my lovelies. I hope you all are doing well. As usual, this is the divinely guided messages that we are talking from the universe, from your angels, just to see what messages we have in store for you. Okay, so all these cards are pre shuffled as usual. We have our angels' blessings here, we have Buddha's protection as well. I know there's a lot of chaos and everything that's going around at this point in time, but we can definitely look for inspiration outside, right? Or we can look for inspiration within ourselves. We can look for things that could be better for us and for everyone, and that's what we are trying here as empaths, as social being, as human beings, to give you guys the messages that is here from your divine Lord, universe, angels, just to leave some sort of thought, some sort of motivation, for you, something to work on, like a free counseling, you can also say. Yep. So the first message itself that we get, that is through our major arcana tarots. Okay, this is the magician card. Okay, so look at this beautiful card that talks about, you know being there. It talks about creating magic, right? It talks about going for what you are manifesting in your life. It's a very vibrant card. I'm so sorry, my phone camera is only giving me this sort of limitation at this point in time, so I will try to equip whatever I can. um, it is also a number 1. Okay, so that's the first number that starts with the digit. It talks about new beginning, it talks about new cycle, it talks about bringing something new on the table, metaphorically and literally, right? So what magic you have within you is up to you to create. It is up to you to bring something on the table. It is up to you to understand your goals, your purposes in life. It is up to you to start the magic that is within you. The magician is also somebody who understands the difference between illusion and reality. So it's up to you to draw the line, it's up to you to differentiate from an illusion to reality. Okay, this is a very strong message that I'm getting. So you are a magician in your own life. You can create miracles, you can create the new beginning for yourself. There is nobody else who can do that. Okay, so this is a very, very strong message that I'm getting for whoever needs to know. I'm going to keep this angel here right at the side for our protection and for our guidance, but meanwhile I'm just going to keep this card here so that you can see this magician and you can start resonating that you are the magician of your life. You are the one that is going to bring forth miracles, creation. Only you can understand how to differentiate reality from an illusion. Okay, so this is a very deep message, it's a very profound message. To whoever it resonates, please take it the way it is. Okay, also let's check from this card, the Osho's deck, what is the energy message that I'm getting for you. Again, let me tell you that all my tarot reading that I do is an intuitive tarot reading. Obviously, through a channel, the content that is created, these are all general readings. Okay, you got to take what resonates with you. Whatever does not resonate, just leave it be. Don't try to fix it, don't try to make it yours. Okay, I'm open for personal readings. If you would like personal readings, please book on contact.luminousguide@gmail.com. You also have my WhatsApp number, which is on Instagram. Okay, patience. Wow, what a beautiful card. For a lot of you, it talks about patience. For a lot of you, literally, you could be pregnant at this point in time or planning a pregnancy. Number 1 and number 7 could be significant. Okay, in totality it's number 8. 8 is an infinite number, it's a completion number. So you're waiting for a completion, you're waiting for something to complete in your cycle. And as you see this card, as moon goes through phases, so do we go through phases in our life. So if there is a phase where you see a black hole in your life, then that hole is also going to be covered eventually, right? it's a beautiful card. It talks about all vibrant energies and colors. So please tap into that vibrant inner self, tap into that energy and color. And for a lot of you, you definitely do need to have patience, because only it's like a bun in the oven, right? The woman goes through 9 months of labor, and then there is pain, and then there is gain, right? So that's another message that I get, that there is nothing that happens without pain. There's no gain without pain. There is no gain without patience. So this is calling upon for you to have patience. Okay, what a beautiful message. Let's check from the Rider-Waite tarot card. What is the message that you're getting right now? Wow. Please guys, my sincere request is for you to comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Help your your gal here to do this job that I'm doing right now. It's a beautiful job. I love creating these videos for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. I don't care how many people subscribe, how many people follow, but the ones who are here, please do comment. I would really appreciate you showing me that love. I will feel good about it. Okay, so 3 cards automatically just flipped up. One is talking about a brutal ending. Number 10 could resonate with you. It's talking about being deceived. It's like, some of you must have done all out, and you must have felt like a stab on your back, literally, situation. So that could be an energy that you must have tapped in recently, or you must be going along, all along. You must be feeling that you've been holding on a lot. You've been fighting all alone. Okay, like this is a battle that you've been fighting all alone. A lot of you must be feeling that. I'm sorry, this is some sort of the light issue right now, so just do not focus on that. I'm going to hold it like this for you. So you must be holding on to the guard. You must be battling all alone, kind of a feeling. Number 5 could be significant. And at the end of the day, there is a lot of you who is manifesting from afar. There is a goal, there is a vision waiting for you somewhere down over there where you can see it. Okay, you can see your goal. You just have to start on that journey. Okay, you have to start on that journey. Just don't. This is a very alchemist card for me, this number 3, when I look at it. If you've read the book Alchemist by I forgot the name, Paulo Coelho, yes, you will understand what I'm trying to say. It's a very alchemist kind of card for me, where it talks about just not jumping on conclusions, talking about looking at things from a different perspective. For some of you who are in relationships, it could be a long distance relationship also that you're going through. And for some of you, I see that there's a vision out there. There's a goal. There's a purpose out there. You're just holding on to that vision. You're holding on to the goal. You're watching. You're observing, and then you're plotting. You're planning, and you're trying to make a new move. And yes, the move is definitely going to happen, because you are all going to get this victory. But you got to work for it. Okay, it's not just going to happen because you've been cheated at the past. You've held on to your own grounds at the past. Now you are in this visioning mode, and now you're going to, and if you work hard on it, definitely victory is yours. Okay, that's the card that I'm getting for you, that the victory is yours. Okay, now we'll check another card, which is from the Power of the Love tarot deck. Let's see what else is the message that the universe has for you guys, and then we'll obviously pick up the angels cards as well for you very quickly. Okay, I hope you all are safe meanwhile, and I hope you all are at home. And if anybody's lost their loved ones, dear ones, family members, my heart goes out to you. I'm really sorry to hear about your loss. Meanwhile, there are people in your family, your friends, and your close by who are battling in the hospital. There are better days that we are going to see. So I am keeping all of you in my present thoughts. Okay. Oh wow, present. Okay. You live in the moment and are able to bring forth energy of love in your current circumstances. So for a lot of you, you're getting a very strong message to live in the moment, right? It again goes back to this message that talks about patience. Have patience and try to live in the moment while you are analyzing. Okay, so let me just connect this for you. While you are analyzing on what holds there for you, do not forget that you have to still live in the present. Right? You're understanding what I'm trying to say? What a lot of times, when we are trying to seek something, we are trying to seek the goal, we just stop focusing on the ground beneath us right now. We stop focusing on the grace that we are presently receiving, right? So do not forget about that, okay? While you're still working on your passion, while you're still working on the miracles to happen in your life, do not forget about that, because that is still going to happen. I would request you all to ask a question to our angels, okay? The answer would either be a yes or a no, or you will receive a sort of guidance, okay? So please do ask a question. Just take a long deep breath and ask a question. The answer would either be a yes or a no, or you will receive a suggestion or an advice, okay? So whatever is your question, please do not forget to ask right now. Just take a deep breath, long deep breath, release it, okay? And let's see what your answer is. All right, my spirit guides and angels, what's the answer for our collective? Whether the answer is yes or no, or what is the advice that we have from my angels. Okay, so here the message is helpful people. Whatever you're looking for some of you, obviously it's not going to resonate with everybody. There are going to be people who are going to help you in achieving the answer that you're looking for. So you know who are these helpful people, or either you have to help people, okay? This is for some of you, and I'm going to pick another one because I know there are not many. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but yes, there are quite a few who would be looking for an answer as well. So this would resonate with some of you. Oh, the number just passed by as 11:11 on my phone clock. So yes, thank you guardian angels for helping us, okay? 11:11. Okay, we've got, oh my god, there are two cards that flipped out. One says a no, one is a clear no, and then one says listen to your intuition, okay? So one says a clear no and one says listen to your intuition. Let's check what are your angel numbers. Okay, I'm going to just keep this here. Let's check, my friends, what are your angel numbers. Please do connect with me. Okay, and also a great news, I have started online classes. So if anybody is interested in tarot, please do leave a comment. I'll get in touch. You cannot leave your phone number on YouTube, but do leave me an email or a comment, okay? So your angel number for today is 222. See, maintain balance. If you're seeing a lot of synchronicity, you're seeing these numbers, this is for you. Manifesting opposites, and also preserve calm and keep chaos at bay. Do things you love, okay? So that's the message that you are getting from our angel number today. Just before I leave, I'm going to leave you with this strong message from our Keepers of the Light Oracle deck, which is guides, spirit guides, angels, God, goddesses. Let's see what's the message that you have. It is Sanat Kumara. You must be seeing a lot of light. You must be seeing a lot of white light around you. Also talks about reflecting on your crown chakra. It talks about shine your light. Your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. Okay, so you're going to receive your internal guidance loud and clear. Shine your light within. I wish you all the best, guys. Please do comment, leave and subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and I wish you all the best till we see again. Okay, that's my heart. Goodbye.